Hello guys, welcome to again, this is 99 Zombman and welcome to again tutorial, and today we're going to do a ray gun blast. And it's going to be pretty awesome. So go file, new image, and then file, new again, and go to your advanced options, make the background transparent. So just minimize that, save it for later. And here's something really fun. It's actually just really easy. You go filters, render, clouds, solid noise. It doesn't matter what you have the detail at. Like, keep it at 1, random seed 0. But the X size and the Y size all the way up, and just hit OK. Now you need to kind of get some kind of dust in it. So we'll go filters, noise, RGB noise. That means red, green, blue noise, and just decheck all of these so there's no color. And then you just, the more you put it up, the more pixels show up. Keep it kind of at a low thing. And then just color it, and then we'll be done with this window. So we go to colors, color balance, color balance, there we go. And now go into your shadows and make, here we go. There's shadows -100, -40, and 20. And there's midtones, -20, 100, and 30. And for highlights, do the same thing, -20, 100, and 30. So we have a convincing looking ray gun blast. Pretty epic. Now we're done with this window. So actually, take your Eclipse select tool, select a random spot, any spot, and go. You can either right click and go to edit and copy, but copy for quick is Control C, paste is Control V. So Control C, then Control V. And then just go in the center. I'll just set it down. Scale it, do what you want, and then select the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't really care how it is. And then just hit the delete key. Now we'll go filters, blur, Gaussian blur. And with this Gaussian blur, do it by about 45. 45 sounds reasonable. And there's the ray gun blast right there.